Don't try at home unless you're being supervised by a parent. I'm a trained professional. I'm being supervised by a parent. Don't try it, or you'll be in trouble. Up YouTube, Goonie back with another video, and today's video we're just gonna be ripping. Haven't posted a riding video in a while. My last riding video did pretty good, got like 5K views. And remember, do not try anything that you see in this video at home. I'm a trained professional and being supervised by my parents. By my parents. So yeah, do not try anything that you see in this video at home unless you are being supervised by your parents. Honda's already warmed up, but we're chilling. Isn't it crazy that this exhaust doesn't come with like the silencing cord thing for it? It comes like straight gutted out. It's crazy. I need to film that over the phone. It's like I can wheelie through the whole thing, and it's like perfectly good. Look at the fence. I just want to knock it down and burn it. Here, you'll see how fast I can get the little What was that? That literally shoved into my ankle, bro. That little stick like poked my boot. So I got fresh boot, like riding boots coming. I ordered them. They should be here sometime this week. So I'll show y'all them when they come in. Midwest MX, but I'll check. And I'll put a little clip at the end of this video if y'all check. But I'm pretty sure it's Midwest MX. So I'm not going to give the shout out yet because I'll have to look. And then I will. So I couldn't remember really. It's been a while. Remember, do not try anything that you see in this video at home. I'm a trained professional being supervised by my parents. And do not try this at home unless you are being supervised by your parents. So, yeah. And let me know if y'all would like some like chest cam videos where it's like down here where you can just see the bars and stuff, and like all I'm doing with like no talking. Because I might do one of those tomorrow and see how it does. Ooh. I'll do the Midwest MX. Like this is like his, like this is what he's good at. He loves doing burnouts. So this is for you, Midwest. Oh, that hurted me. But remember, do not try anything that you see in this video. I'm a trained professional being supervised by my parents right there. And remember, do not try anything that you see in this video unless you are being supervised by your parents. Oh, yeah. That flipping boot's still here. Oh, crap. Remember, do not try anything that you see in this video at home. I'm a trained professional and being supervised by my parents. And do not try anything that you saw in this video at home unless you are being supervised by your parents. Still not recommend doing it. That'd be pretty fun if I did that. Okay, remember, don't try anything that y'all saw in this video at home. I'm a trained professional and being supervised by my parents. So, yeah, that's about it for this video. I'll probably toss in some clips either at like the beginning, some at the end too, maybe.